Hello, you're welcome. In this video, we're going to be looking at how you can create a profile chart in ThinkCell. So we create a profile chart by coming to this, our elements, and so the charts, and from the option of the line/profile. But in this case, you are going to use this orientation, which is to the right. Once we select it, we are going to now drop the chart on the slide. So what we'll do now is to change the information that we have in the series as well as the labels. So it helps us to compare various options that we have that relate to specific series. So if I select my data sheet, I'm going to change this series. So I'll call the first product A. So we have 3 products here, and our users have been able to give these products ratings based on specific criteria that we provided them. So the first is color, the second is size, and the third is shape. And that's what we want to visualize here. So if you look at our chart now, you can see how we are able to now compare the ratings that we are getting. So for product B, you can automatically see here that the size rating given to it is 1. So if we right click here, we can add point labels to make it easy for us to see. So for us to be able to display this well, let me click on this axis, then I will drag this axis up, and you can now see our points showing perfectly. So if I click in here, I can also come to this PowerPoint themes and change to themes with markers so that our markers help us see different ratings provided. So product A for shape is given a rating of 3, for size is given a rating of 2, and for color, you can see it's given a rating of 5. So you can see the way we used this profile chart to demonstrate the various ratings that we got for our products. And with this, we can be able to make strategic decisions on the changes we need to make on our product so as to get our customers satisfied. So this is just what I want to demonstrate in this video, which has to do with the profile chart. And I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.